Hello everyone, how are you? Today's topic is organization promoting adaptive sports, Special Olympic Bharat, Paralympic and Deaf Olympic. First of all, Special Olympic Bharat. You know, as you know the name Special Olympic Bharat, मतलब कि ये स्पोर्ट्स ये गेम्स उनके लिए है जो फिज़िकली और मेंटली स्पेशल चाइल्ड है, राइट, जो फिज़िकली और मेंटली स्पेशल हैं उनके लिए स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत इज़ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एज अ नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स फेडरेशन विच एफिलिएटेड विद स्पेशल इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर द people with intellectual disability. Special International Olympic Committee was started by the former president of US, Mr. Kennedy, sister Eunice Kennedy Shriver. She believed that if the equal opportunity has been provided to these people, then they can achieve much more than normal people. So she delivered the people who mentally and physically related can become more athletic. Shriver for children with intellectual disability at her home in Potomac at home called Camp Shriver for children with intellectual disability at her home, Maryland. She started this camp because of concern about children with intellectual disability having very little opportunity to participate in athletic event. Slowly, this camp became a festival. The first intellectual Special Olympic Games were organized in 1968 in Chicago. Now you can now you can see this Special Olympic Bharat logo, right? You can see all human figure are together in a circle. This is the symbol of Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat is a national sports federation and it is a recognized by Government of India as a national sports federation in the priority category of development of sports for person with intellectual disabilities, and it is designed nodal agency for the disability on account of its national presence and experience, especially the rural area, which account for nearly 70% of the disabled population in India. It was founded in 1857 with the total of 37,546 athletes recognized. It was named as Special Olympic India, but later on in 2001 it was renamed as Special Olympic Bharat. After that, in the chairmanship of Air Marshal Danzig Coiler, it is making many records of success. Special Olympic Bharat program has to far down a number of coaches to work with 8,50,000 athletes across the country. The main objective of physical Special Olympic Bharat SOB, Special Olympic Bharat is to organize the tournament on the basis of Special Olympic Games for mentally and physically retired child and adult throughout the year. Special Olympic Bharat is a movement that uses sports as catalyst and change the lives of children and adults with intellectual disability or mentally retarded person. It is helpful in the overall development of these kind of adult and children. The other objective of this program is to merge the mentally and physically retarded children people in the society. The Indian government registered the Special Olympic Bharat under the Ministry of Youth and Game Sports Authority of India through the impressive work of national and international level, so that they get financial help from the government of India. Today, the total more than 12 lakh player have been recognized under it. इसका मतलब यही है कि भी अपने एरिया में, अपने रूरल एरिया में जितने भी प्लेयर्स हैं उनको हम रिकॉग्नाइज करें, मोटिवेट करें और कंट्री के लिए वो खेलें. विज़न, क्या इसकी ज़रूरत क्या है? विज़न, इट्स विज़न इज़ टू प्रोवाइड चांस टू मेंटली रिटायर्ड पर्सन and a person with intellectual disability to become useful and productive citizen for those who are accepted and respected for their communities. ये इसका विज़न है ताकि सब लोग सबको समान देखें, उनको उनके बराबरी मिले. ये नहीं कभी तू यू आर हैंडीकैप, यू आर मेंटली रिटायर्ड, यू कैन नॉट डू. उनको एक मोटिवेशन मिले. एम क्या है? व्हाट इज़ द एम? इट्स एम to provide sports training and sports competition throughout the year for the children and adults with intellectual disability, giving them persistent opportunity to develop physical fitness, demonstrate courage, experience joy, and participating in sharing of gift, skill, and friendship with their families, other special Olympic, and the community. Objective. What is objective? The overall development by learning through doing this, providing opportunity to empower people with intellectual disability realize their full potential and development skill throughout persistent sports training and competition. The athlete sports person with intellectual disability became fulfilled and productive member of the family and the communities which they live. It is an experience that the energizing, healthy, skillful, joyful. This objective is to provide chance to mentally retired person or person with intellectual disability to become useful and productive citizen who are accepted and respected in their community. To organize the local, state, national, international tournament as per norms of guideline of International Sports Special Olympic Games. Symbols. As you see the symbols, the stick figure is an obstacle but human form design, humasive form design in curvy to impression of movement and activity. The logo is a symbol of growth, confidence, and joy among children and adults with a disability who are learning condition, mastering in skills, participating in competition, and preparing themselves for richer and more productive life. Oath. All the mentally retired people get together and take oath. Let me win, but if I cannot win, let me be brave in the attempt. This was firstly used in inauguration of first International Olympic Games in Unique Kennedy Shriver in Chicago in 20th July 1968. Special Olympic Bharat planning, pre-planning and program. First of all, sports training, then sports competition, then organization and advanced training of trainer. Fourth is training in sports organization, child athlete program, family form, healthy athletes. Sports training camp of different kinds of summer games, aquatic athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, cricket, cycling, boxing, football, team handball, netball, powerlifting, roller skating, softball, table tennis, volleyball, golf, winter games. Alpine skiing, floor hockey, figure skating, speed skating, snowboarding, snow horsing, floorball, and local games. You can see here how can they practice to achieve sports competition, organizing the local, state, and national and international competition, organization of advanced training for trainers, This kind of program has been conducted for the trainer, those who are engaged in the coaching of mentally retired children. Training in sports organization. This type of training is provided to computer teacher, those who are engaged in sports organization. Child athlete program. It was started for the training and selection of suitable games for the children aged between 2 to 7. Family form. Family form of support system for our Special Olympic athlete, given to them love, sport, encouragement every step of the way. This program was added to focus on family outreach and support the family support network to reach out to the other families and welcome them into the community. Healthy athletes. The Healthy Athletic Program help athlete to improve their training and competition by focusing on overall health and fitness. Achievement. What is achievement? There is national games, national game, international game. This is the SOB. 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 Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat. SOB is organized different games and sports at national level since 2002. There are thousands of players who participating in these games. International game. 671 athletes has participating in Special Olympic World Summer Games since 1987 till 2013. Through participation across 5 World Summer Games, they have won 246 gold, 265 silver, and 275 bronze medal. Regional Asian Pacific Games. These games are organized in 2013 in Newcastle, Australia. Through this participation, Special Olympic Bharat player won triple 111 gold, 136 silver, and 140 bronze medal to an overall tally of 387.